This is a practical example of building the gameplay for a simple turret by using time-based nodes and events in Unreal. I'll actually start with the bullet, since it's quite straightforward. Here, using one of the time-based nodes, a delay. As the name suggests, it's a simple delay. Generally, don't overuse delays to control lots in gameplay-sensitive areas, but sporadically, or for visuals and audio spawning, is fine. Then, the turret. We deploy the turret, we pop it from the ground. Here, a good scenario to use timelines for nicely interpolating between two positions. After this is done, using set timer by event to scan for the player, whilst also delegating an event to continue from here, on its timer. This node is like a delay, but smart. We can easily cancel it out, so I generally recommend to use this for time-based things, as you have more control over it. Then, when we scan, we just do a line trace from the muzzle to the player, and at the same time, in our tick event, which runs continuously, so careful not to overload it too much, we angle our turret towards the player, and in the end, we prep to shoot. We check for a handle, and in case we don't find it, we set a timer by event, and then save that timer we were looking for before. And for the actual firing of the bullet, checking for the ammo left, the max I set is 10 ammo, we spawn the bullet, and with that, decreasing the current ammo counter. After we run out of ammo, we clear that timer so that the event stops firing until we're reloaded, and using a retriggerable delay, after that time we reset it to the max ammo and stop reloading so we can shoot again. Now, to check it again, just by using the time-based nodes and a few other complementary ones, we have a working turret. Tune in every 2 weeks for more quick tips and tricks for Unreal Engine 5. Thanks for watching.